Hello friends, is your car suddenly losing power or shaking when driving on rough roads? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0318, your vehicle's rough road detection system is detecting abnormal vibrations. This could lead to random misfires, poor engine performance, and even unnecessary repairs if left unchecked. In this video we'll explain what P0318 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0318 stands for Rough Road Sensor, No Signal. Your car's powertrain control module relies on the rough road sensor and the ABS wheel speed sensors to determine if misfires are caused by rough road conditions. If this sensor fails to send signals, the PCM can't differentiate between actual misfires and road-induced vibrations, leading to performance issues and incorrect diagnostics. Check engine light on. Rough idling and engine hesitation. Loss of power, especially on uneven roads. Random misfire codes appearing like P0300 to P0308. Traction control or ABS light on. Poor acceleration and fuel efficiency. If your car shakes or struggles while driving over bumps, this code should be addressed immediately. Since P0318 is related to the rough road detection system, the problem could be in the rough road sensor, crankshaft position sensor, or ABS sensors. Check these key locations. Rough road sensor, usually mounted on the vehicle's body or chassis, near the suspension system. It detects road vibrations and sends signals to the PCM. Crankshaft position sensor located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. It monitors engine speed and helps detect misfires. Camshaft position sensor found on the cylinder head. It works with the CKP sensor to ensure proper ignition timing. Wheel speed sensors, mounted on each wheel hub or near the brake rotors. They provide speed data to the PCM. ABS control module, located near the master cylinder or under the dashboard. It processes wheel speed data. Suspension components. A worn suspension can cause excessive vibrations, affecting rough road detection. If any of these components are faulty or disconnected, the PCM won't receive accurate road condition data, triggering P0318. Faulty rough road sensor. If the sensor fails, it won't send road condition data to the PCM. Disconnected or damaged wiring, broken or corroded wires can prevent the rough road system from functioning. Malfunctioning ABS sensors. A faulty wheel speed sensor can confuse the PCM and lead to false misfire detections. Defective crankshaft or camshaft sensor. Incorrect engine speed readings can contribute to the issue. Suspension problems, worn-out shocks or loose components can increase road vibrations, leading to misfire detection errors. Faulty ABS control module. If the module is not processing road data correctly, P0318 may appear. Step 1. Use a scanner to check for additional codes related to ABS, crankshaft, or camshaft sensors. Step 2. Inspect the rough road sensor and replace it if it's faulty. Step 3. Check and replace any damaged wiring leading to the sensor. Step 4. Inspect and clean ABS wheel speed sensors for proper operation. Step 5. Test the crankshaft position sensor and replace it if needed. Step 6. Check the suspension system for worn-out shocks or loose components. Step 7. Inspect the ABS control module and reset it if necessary. Finally, Step 8. Clear the codes and test drive on different road surfaces to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0318 can lead to false misfire detections, rough driving conditions, and poor performance. Fixing it ensures smoother rides, better diagnostics, and improved fuel efficiency. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0256, Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control. B Low Circuit, and P0257, Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control, B High Circuit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.